In most single-family and some multi-family homes, the heating system contains a boiler and radiators. When every single room has a proper temperature control established, for example with thermostatic radiator valves, the end user will save on fuel consumption and heating costs. Unfortunately, the majority of radiators in European homes are equipped with manual radiator valves that don't provide these savings. That's why, in these times of focus on energy efficiency and sustainability, the EU has updated the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive and made these self-regulating devices for individual room controls mandatory. This also benefits installers, who now have legislation support to establish high-quality solutions. The new directive states that individual room controls are required if technically and economically feasible. If such controls are not present in existing homes, they shall be installed when the boiler is replaced, for example for a new high-efficiency condensing boiler. To benefit as much as possible from condensing boilers, it is critical they run in condensing mode most of the time. As soon as the boiler goes from non-condensing mode to condensing mode, the efficiency skyrockets. To get the boiler into condensing mode, we need a return temperature below 55 degrees Celsius. A regular manual radiator valve will keep the flow constant and the return temperature high. The principle of a thermostatic radiator valve is to reduce flow automatically when the room temperature reaches the desired value. This results in a lower return temperature and lets the boiler operate in condensing mode. Without room temperature controls, the boiler will only be in condensing mode 5% of its operation time, spoiling the potential savings. With thermostatic radiator valves, a boiler is in condensing mode about 80% of the time. In addition, thermostatic radiator valves with presetting secure hydronic balancing of the system and prevent unwanted overflows through radiators. This can result in 36% extra savings compared with constantly opened manual radiator valves. The best choice to follow the new regulations? Thermostatic radiator valves. Offer your clients a simple solution to optimize the condensing boiler efficiency. They will enjoy room temperature control in each individual room, have improved comfort and less noise while being sustainable. Less callbacks for you, and with a payback time of approximately 2 heating seasons, you will have very satisfied customers. For more information, contact your local Danfoss sales representative or visit us at installer.danfoss.com.